AscensionX is a Canadian company. We are located in Quebec, which is on the east coast of Canada. We are a mixture of artistic vision, engineering expertise, and a lot of outside the box thinking. To put things simply, what we do is we create objects, either from 3D printing, laser cutting. We make our own designs for 3D prints, as well as print designs from customers who come to us for our expertise in 3D printing. And since we always aim to produce the best prints possible, we need to use materials that are reliable, tough, that produce high quality prints. And Sunlu has always been a very reliable, a consistent product, and the prints always look amazing, and the consistency is great, and we always recommend the brand to our customers as well who want to get into 3D printing themselves. We are extremely satisfied with Sunlu products, and this is why we want to express happy 10th anniversary for Sunlu, and thank you for making a great product. We are very excited to see what's next, and we hope the next 10 years will be just as successful with 3D printing and beyond. Thank you.